Want a living room that looks like it belongs in a luxury hotel, but without spending a fortune? You're in the right place. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share 10 super easy interior styling tips that will instantly make your living room look luxe, stylish, and expensive without breaking the bank. And don't worry, these tips are simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. Even if you know nothing about interior design, you'll be able to follow along. So grab a notebook or just sit back and enjoy, and make sure you watch till the end, because tip number 10 is a total game changer that most people don't even know about. Let's get started. 1. Start with a neutral base. Creating a luxurious living room starts with choosing the right color palette, and nothing works better than neutrals. Colors like beige, ivory, soft gray, taupe, and white give your space a clean, calm, and elegant look. These shades make your room feel brighter, more open, and more expensive. A neutral base acts like a blank canvas, making it easier to add pops of color, textures, and accessories later on. It also helps your furniture and decor stand out more beautifully. Whether you're adding a bold rug, metallic decor, or patterned cushions, neutrals make everything look balanced and stylish. Another big plus? Neutral tones are timeless. They don't go out of style quickly, so your space will look fresh and modern for years, even if trends change. If you ever want to refresh the look, you can simply switch up your pillows, curtains, or wall art without redoing the whole room. 2. Add texture, not just color. Luxury isn't only about how a space looks, it's also about how it feels. That's where texture comes in. Adding different materials and finishes can make your living room feel warm, rich, and inviting. Try mixing soft fabrics like velvet or linen with coarser ones like wool, rattan, or leather. You can do this through cushions, throws, rugs, curtains, and even furniture pieces. A chunky knit blanket on a smooth leather sofa or a velvet pillow on a linen chair creates instant visual interest. Layering textures adds depth and dimension, making the room feel more thoughtfully designed. Even in a neutral color scheme, textured items bring the space to life and give it that soft, high-end finish you see in designer homes. 3. Lighting is everything. Good lighting can completely change the mood and look of your living room. To create a luxe feel, use layers of light instead of relying on just one overhead bulb. Start with your main ceiling light, then add table lamps, floor lamps, or even wall sconces to brighten up different corners. This makes the space feel more cozy, balanced, and professionally styled. Choose warm light bulbs, not cool white ones, as they give a softer and more welcoming glow. You can also add a small chandelier or a decorative pendant light for an instant touch of elegance. Remember, luxury isn't always about expensive items. It's about creating the right atmosphere, and lighting plays a big role in that. For big wall art equals big impact. One of the simplest ways to make your living room look more luxurious is by using large-scale wall art. A single big piece of artwork can create a strong focal point and instantly elevate the room's style. Instead of hanging many small frames, choose one oversized painting, photograph, or canvas that matches your color scheme and vibe. Abstract art, black and white photography, or even minimalist designs work really well in modern luxe spaces. Large art gives the room a clean and curated look, just like something you'd see in a high-end hotel or magazine. If buying expensive art isn't an option, you can also go for affordable prints or DIY pieces that look just as stylish when framed well. 5. Use greenery or flowers. Adding plants or flowers is a simple but powerful way to bring life and elegance into your living room. Greenery adds freshness, color, and a natural element that softens the space and makes it feel more welcoming. You don't need to be a plant expert. Even 1 or 2 indoor plants in stylish pots can make a big difference. Try placing a tall plant in a corner, a small one on a coffee table, or some green branches in a glass vase for a minimalist look. Fresh flowers are also a great option. They bring color, scent, and luxury. Even a small bouquet on a side table feels thoughtful and high-end. And if keeping real plants is hard, good quality fake plants can also work, as long as they look natural and clean. 6. Mirrors make magic. Mirrors are one of the easiest ways to make a living room feel bigger, brighter, and more luxurious. They reflect both natural and artificial light, which helps open up the space and make it feel more airy. A large mirror placed on a main wall or above a sofa can act like a stylish statement piece. Choose a mirror with a gold, black, or wooden frame to match your decor and add a touch of elegance. You can also try using multiple smaller mirrors in creative shapes or patterns for a more artistic look. Mirrors don't just serve a purpose, they also add a sense of glamour, especially when paired with good lighting. 7. Hide the clutter. A clean and tidy space always feels more luxurious. No matter how beautiful your furniture or decor is, if there's clutter everywhere, it takes away from the overall look. Keep your surfaces simple and organized. Use storage baskets, trays, or decorative boxes to hide everyday items like remotes, chargers, or papers. Choose a coffee table with hidden storage or an ottoman that opens up to store blankets or magazines. Try to follow the rule of less is more. Only display items that add beauty or serve a purpose. When everything has its place, the room feels more open, calm, and expensive, like a luxury showroom, not a messy living space. 8. Choose statement furniture. Every luxe living room needs at least one statement piece that stands out and adds personality. This could be a velvet armchair, a bold coffee table, a curved sofa, or a unique sideboard. It's the item that draws attention and makes your space memorable. You don't need many bold items. Just one or two well-chosen pieces are enough. The key is to pick something stylish, with a strong shape, rich material, or eye-catching design. Make sure your statement furniture complements the rest of the room and doesn't overcrowd the space. Give it some breathing room so it stands out and shines. This balance between bold and simple creates a polished, high-end look without overdoing it. 9. Add metallic touches. Small metallic accents can instantly make your living room feel more elegant and high-end. Finishes like gold, brass, chrome, or brushed nickel add a touch of shine and glamour without overwhelming the space. You can introduce metallics through lamps, mirror frames, side tables, trays, candle holders, or even decorative bowls. These elements catch the light and create a rich, layered look that feels polished and luxurious. The key is to use metallics in small doses. Don't cover everything in gold. Just a few well-placed items can lift the entire room. When balanced with soft textures and neutral tones, metallics help create that perfect luxe finish. 10. Layer like a pro. One of the biggest secrets to a luxury-looking living room is layering. Designers often layer different fabrics, patterns, and materials to add depth, comfort, and richness to a space. Start with a base rug, then add a soft throw over your sofa, mix in decorative cushions with different textures, and finish with elegant curtains or voiles. Even layering lighting, like combining ceiling lights with floor and table lamps, adds to the effect. The goal is to make the room feel full, warm, and thoughtfully put together, not flat or boring. Stick to a similar color palette so everything looks connected, but don't be afraid to mix soft fabrics like velvet, cotton, and linen for a designer-level look. When done right, layering brings that cozy, luxurious feel you often see in magazine homes. And there you have it, 10 easy styling tips to make your living room look and feel truly luxurious. Remember, luxury doesn't always mean expensive. It's about smart choices, clean design, and adding little touches that make a big difference, like textures, lighting, and statement pieces. Now it's your turn. Which tip did you like the most? Or which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss more helpful home styling tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.